Meeteilol Waaheithangnau, Meeteilol Waaheithangnau, Meeteilol to English Dictionary, page 41. Ahanba Muktada, Iramdam Sanaleba Kanglaipak, Manipur asigi manung amdi mapanda laikraba, Meeteilol, Meetei Maypunung Sizaba Kudima, Nankam Premeshorna, Ikai Kumla Uchari, Channel asigi maming, Manipur languages features and Koje. Masi Nainagadava asi Meeteilolgi Waaheithangnau, Haibadi, Meeteilolgi Waahei Mathang Manau, English the Hairaga, Meeteilol Dictionary, Masigi Matanga, Nainajagadavani, Adudi, Masi Nainajagadava asi page number 41. Ngasi Nainagadava asi page number 41. Adudi Ayoji Mathang Hajarake. Page number 41. Meeteilol Waaheithangnau. Meeteilol to English Dictionary. Samagahumdrani Pansuba Waahida Kabo Kabo. Mingta noun. Ngamok Makhal Ama. Ngamok Makhal Ama. Asapot Makhal Ama. Asapot Makhal Ama. Sing Ngauraga. Chiniga Totlaga Semba Asapot Makhal Ama. English Cheng Ngauraga Chiniga Totlaga Semba Asapot Makhal Ama. A kind of eating thing made by purse or fried rice. 178 word Kabo Kabo. In Meeteilon grammar, Mingta, in English grammar, noun. The other meaning of Kabo is Ngamok Makhal Ama. Ngamok Makhal Ama. The other meaning of Kabo, Asapot Makhal Ama. Asapot Makhal Ama. Then another meaning of Kabo, Cheng Ngauraga Siniga Potlaga Semba Asapot Makhal Ama. Cheng Ngauraga Siniga Potlaga Semba Asapot Makhal Ama. The meaning of Kabo in English is a kind of eating thing made by parched or fried rice. Adudi Makhataba Meeteilolgi Waaheithangnau asi Nainadringaida Manipurgi Maramda Kari Makhara Hajaramge. This is the map of Manipur. Masi Manipurgi map ni northeastern side of India ni sina Manipur ni sina Manipur map ki yamna sauna yekthokpa Saktamaduni, Papaladuni. This is the map of Manipur. This is the northeastern side of India. This is Manipur. This is the enlarged form of Manipur. Meeteilol asi Manipurgi original native indigenous people. Meetei Singyam di Manipur Yerumi Kharagi. Mama Loni, Meeteilol is the mother tongue of Meetei, the original native indigenous people of Manipur. Meeteilol is the state language of Manipur. Meeteilol is also known as Manipuri language, so Manipuri language is the state language of Manipur. Meeteilol is the lingua franca language of all the races and community present in Manipur. Makhataba Meeteilolgi Waaheithangnau gi matangda amuhana mathang sandongnaba tawjarake. Hojik leiriba Manipurgi tangdu leitadraba matam asideda Meeteilolgi Waaheithangnau nainadagi matangda wafung kharadang miyamda lebak miyamda thamjaramge. Manipur KANGLEIPAK na India da pundringai mamangda maning tamba leba oina lerami. In kumja lising abaga Samapan nifumapan gi October gi taramanga gi mamangda. In English, Manipur, KANGLEIPAK was sovereign independent country in the world before merger to India on 15 October 1949. Ayudi makhataba amu ninajanaba tawjaralage Meeteilol Waaheithangnau. Chamaga humdramapan suba wahai amu hajarake. Chamaga humdramapan suba wahai kabo muri. Kabo muri mingta noun. Hum yalaba sing apokpana saba kabok. Hum yalaba sing apokpana saba kabok. English halaga a kind of salted parsed rice. 179 word. Kabok muri. Kabok muri. In Meeteilol grammar, Meeteilol lon minta. In English grammar, noun. The other meaning of kabok muri is thum yalaba sing apokpana saba kabo. Thum yalaba sing apokpana saba kabo. In English, the meaning of kabok muri is a kind of salted parsed rice. Chamaga marfu suba wahaida kabok pokpa. Kabok pokpa thautak bhag. Maina phau sahanduna phaudagi kabok oihanba. Maina phau sahanduna kabok oihanba. English halaga to make parsed rice from rice. 180 word. Kabok pokpa. Kabok pokpa. In Meeteilol lonsalon, that is in Meeteilol grammar, thauta. In English grammar bhag. The other meaning of kabok pokpa, maina phau sahanduna phaugi kabok oihanba. Maina phau sahanduna kabok oihanba. In English, the meaning of kabok pokpa is to make parsed rice from rice. Makhataba amu Meetei make sing sa English make the ithodi. Matau karam tawna ithokadagi habagi matangda amuna hajake. Now let us discuss about how to write Meetei make in English alphabet. Let us see now. Meetei may asi English ta ithok targadi karam tawgadagi hajarake. Hojik nainagadaba asi asterisk number 1 da ngauraga haiba wai asi matangda hajarake. Asterisk number 1 ngauraga. Ngauraga thauta bhag. Ngauraga haibadi kaino da after fry, after parse English ta. And asterisk number 1.1 da Zida sauna habi karino rising to ni mase English da o yuga manai sigi sauna asi kamai pa de habda ijari besini sauna English da sauna aduga mo essay 1.2 da sauna sidida yetalum haptar ga di mase falling to oina si nai ft harsini mase English da o yu iraga makhada underline final line tawgani je saunab sidida lumta tari basi karamai na pagadagi habda karam na pagadagi habda saunab lum. Now let us discuss about how to write ngauraga in English. Ngauraga thokta bha. In English the meaning of ngauraga is after fry, after parse. Saunab is rising tone. This is equal to OU. and the pronunciation of saunab, saunab, saunab. If lum is added to the right side of saunab, this is used as falling tone. OU underline. Saunab lum, saunab lum. Now, hojik saunab si yauba haidi rising tone amasung falling tone yauba wai sing asamu ijarake haijarake ngauba rising tone mingtak adjective angauba why sina rising tone oina sinabani makhadana ngauba thautak bha ngauba haina falling tone oina sinaba tamda saunaki yeta lum hapchana matamda o igu makhada paina line singi mathaktadi paina line singde mathaktadi paina line singde rising tone da makhada rising tone organa paina line singi masangda ngauba haibagi wahan thokti kaino habida ghi natraga thauda tauba ghi natraga thauda tauba to fry to burst. Saunab is rising tone and it is equal to OU. Saunab, saunab, saunab. When lum is added to the right side of saunab, this is falling tone. In English alphabet is equal to OU underline, but in the rising tone, underline is not placed under OU, but in the case of the falling tone, when lum is added to the right side of saunab, underline is placed under or below OU. Saunab lum, saunab lum, saunab lum. This is the how to pronunciation. Then let us see example word of saunab uses rising tone and the falling tone. When saunab used as rising tone, ngauba rising tone, mingtik yai adjective, angauba why. When saunab is used rising tone, underline is not placed under OU, but when in the case of ngauba, when lum is added to the right side of saunab, that is used as falling tone, ngauba horizontal line below OU is placed when it is used as falling tone. Thautak bha. Then the meaning of ngauba is ghi natraga thauda tauba, ghi natraga thauda tauba. In English, the meaning of ngauba that is used as falling tone is to fry, to burst is the meaning of ngauba. Now, let us discuss again about tauba. Haji tauba haibigi matangda amu hapsiramge yamna khanglagadi kanthokpibasu karisu kaide. Ya sidida tauba haibisi leire, sidida tauba haibu leire. Tauba haibigi matang sidida iu origi matang sidida nainarakadabani. Tauba E-A above horizontal line U-B-A thautak ba. Magi meaning di kaino haibada thauda natraga ghida ngauba to fry. Sida iu oiba matamda. A sig number to point to the tauba. Haibadi masi falling tone oina sinaba ay lumji ungi yeta lum hapa matamda tauba. Thautak bhab ni sidida lum hapam matamda o oina sijine sidaida sina falling tone sina matamda o oina sijine tauba haibadi magi meaning di kaino haibada na singu haiba say to her, say to listen. Aduna unjidaida lum taptaba ayangbaga lum tappaga arumbaga si magi spelling da amana u oi amana oi falling tone da aduga magi meaning ju khenarei. Maramaduna yekshingadabdi unjina rising tone in a cinema matamda, Yugamanai, Pavadi, Unna Pare. Sreda, Ujida, Yeta, Lum Hatargadi, Masi falling tone in a season, Masi Ogamane. Hibidi, rising tone the U of Matamda Unze, falling tone in a swing Matam the D, Yeta Lum Happy, Masi falling tone Ogamane. Pavadi, Lum Hanas Minor Pagani. And unam song ulum sing asi inung ye oiba mapung mayek singni. Now again, let us say in again. Here S.V. 2.1, let us discuss about the use of the alphabet U of English. Tauba, tauta, ba. When used as rising tone, un is represented by U. And tauda, natraga, gida, ngauba. This is the meaning of tauba. When used as rising tone. The meaning of tauba in English is to fry. But in the case of S.V. 2.2, tauba, when lum is added to the right side of un, that is used as falling tone, tauba. Here, when lum is added to un, this is represented by or in alphabet, English alphabet. And tauta and above. Then the meaning of tauba, when lum is added to the right side of un, then the meaning is na singu haiba. In English, the meaning of tauba used as falling tone is, the meaning is said to how, said to listen. Notes, un is rising tone is represented by U by English alphabet, and how to pronunciation is un. But when lum is added to the right side of un, then used as falling tone, this is represented by in English o, unlum. Here un and unlum sing ase inung yet oiba mapung mek singni. That means that un and the un are the inungyeks mapung mayeks. Maramasina aikoina lum sizinabu matamda saitap tabu orbasu haibadi seida ijariba saunab seida lum tapa amasung taptaba haibadi lum taptaba amasung lum tapa saunata or natrega seida mapung maye unjida lum tapa natrega taptaba haibse tungan ba meaning sing lay. From this we know that when lum is added to the right side of sauna, that is, lum is added to the right side of saitamay sauna, there is different meaning. But similarly, in the case of the mapungmay also, when lum is added or when lum is not added, there are different meanings. Therefore, we must be careful about the addition of the lum to the right side of either saitame or mapungmay. Maramasina angang singda tambi matamda lum tapa amasung taptaba haibase matamgi matungina darkar gi matungina aikoina tangai phadana tapa darkar oi hajaningi ngasigidi Meeteilol Waaheithangnau matang hajaba loijare channel asigi mami Manipur languages features haina kaujai yengbiriba khudimak channel asibu yengbiriba khudimak ngangkam premesorna ikai khumnabu usari channel asibu hanbe yengba oiragadi channel asi like to view comment kya pibira amasung subscribe to view yengbiriba khudimak ngangkam premesorna ikai khumnabu usari mathangi upload tawu matamda aikhoi puna amo unaminasi.